Hello guys, so welcome to the unboxing video. Well, this video we're going to be unboxing some of the products from Flipkart. So the first thing here, we have this winter glove. This is normally used for riding purposes. So when I opened it, the quality was really good, and if you guys wanted to buy it, check it out from Flipkart. So the second thing we have here is again a glove, but this glove is used for household purposes like washing utensil, or use it for gardening, or use it for cleaning stuff. So it was a silicone, the quality was really good. Even this was super, so I kind of give it like 10 out of 10. It was as good as expected. So the next thing we have is this phone cover of phone model Infinix Note 7. The quality was good, even the print was really good. And if you guys want to buy, I think you should go for it if you have the same model as this phone. So the reason why we bought this phone cover is that we bought the phone itself from Flipkart, so I'm gonna show you guys that. When I first opened the phone, I was quite nervous about how the phone would come out, because this was my first time buying a phone from online and it was kind of risky, but it came out pretty well. So this is the first phone, M2 Pro. We bought two phones, which I forgot to film, so just forget that. And this second phone is the Infinix Note 7. It's pretty quite a cool and affordable phone so far, and about the quality, you're gonna see it yourself. Well, that's the end, and now we have the camera review. And that's the end. Thank you guys for watching.